Oh, delicious chocolate cake. How I love thee. Oh, hello, handsome. Nothing can stop you, you magnificent fool.
Gee, thanks.
Ah!
Hey, Panda. Don't mind me, just came to see the show.
Wait, what show?
You know, the thing. I heard from a squirrel that told an owl that the wolves are coming by the crib and that they're bringing their whole crew. A rumble. It's gonna be good.
No, excuse me. No, man. I guess it's allergy season.
Dude, that was the cutest sneeze ever.
Stop saying that I'm cute.
Oh, bless you.
That was such a cute sneeze.
No,
Panda sneeze, cute.
I'm not cute.
Bro, your sneeze was straight up adorable.
Stop! I'm not cute! You think that was cute? Maybe.
Ice Bear will drive.
Oh, come on, man! I'm not cute!
That was adorable.
Let me see.
Oh man, that's the cutest thing ever. Yes, I just saw what that was.
I'm not cute!
Where you going, man?
In a colorful fix, call 56.